Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday, and welcome to week 5 of our Halloween Memory Dex card series that I'm doing along with Armin, Happy Mail Queen. And super excited. I can't believe that we're already in week 5. It's just flying by, and I'm really enjoying the series, so I hope you are too, and just thank you for following along. This week we have another special crafty guest. We're lucky that Natalie put some bling on it. She agreed to be our guest this week, so I'm super excited to see what she has created, and thank you, Natalie, for joining in. So the prompt this week was Too Cute to Spook, favorite Halloween characters. So it was perfect. I've been itching to use these stickers that I picked up at Michael's a couple weeks ago, and I believe in the store it's called the Monster Bride stickers, and I just thought this was such a beautiful little sticker pack, and that's all I picked up, just the stickers. So it was a fun little challenge to try to make it work too, but I did end up using the 31 paper collection still for the bottom card here, and then I just die cut this really pretty frame and backed it with some pink foam. I added a layer of vellum, and then since I only got the stickers, I actually took some of the stickers and I copied them and reduced them in size. I think these are done at about 48%. So a little less than 50%, and I did that with these little snake images there, and I added some cheesecloth down here and a little bit of tulle, I think, also. And then I like the way Armin had done the little bats on acetate, and I've seen a couple other people do this too, so I went ahead and added a couple little bats on acetate, like they're flying above the card. And then for the sticker here, I just popped it up on some more foam, added Nuvo drops, and I added some liquid pearls to the white little streak in her hair. So I don't know if you can see that, just to give it a little texture. And then I added a couple little spiders also to her hair, and I think that's it. Did some little stitching around the edge and some pink thread. So I just was so happy to use this. I love the image, and I love the Bride of Frankenstein. And then I almost stopped there, but I decided I had to do them both. So here is Frankenstein, and I did struggle, you guys, a little bit with this one because I didn't want it to be too girly, too pink. So I went more with a bit more traditional Halloween colors, the orange and the black. And then I just added a little pop of a different color here using a cut apart from the paper collection, which is like a moon back here, kind of purpley. So I did that, and then I have a border punch that I've had for a while, so I used that to create this little spooky like fence. And then I die cut another a little shape here. It's a coffin, and I did that. You can't really tell because I covered it up, but I did like corrugated cardboard for that. And then I added some cheesecloth, a little die cut spider web, and just some more little bats and spiders and bling. And he was all just dark, like a black silhouette, so I did add the little stitch marks to his forehead using more of the liquid pearls on that. So here's my little Frankie and Bride of Frankenstein, or Frankie and his bride. So I hope you like these cards. I had so much fun, and I'm glad I went with these because I really do love the movie and just the characters. They're one of my favorites. So these are some of the dies that I used. This one I picked up a while ago. I think it's from Ally, and that's the one I used on the frame there. And then this is the one I used for the base Memory Dex card shape. And I just like the shape of this one. Kind of reminded me of a little bit of like a tombstone shaped, and then it had stitching, but I went ahead and stitched over that. And then I have a set of these little nesting coffin dies So that's what I used for the coffin back here. So those are some of the things that I used, and I did want to share too the sizes so you can have an idea if you decide to do this. I think it's a great idea when you only have like a few pieces that you really like and you want to make it work for your project. So these are some of the stickers that I pulled out of the sticker pack, and here they are reduced and copied to about 48%. So, you know, if you're going smaller, it really does keep a lot of the detail, and I didn't end up using a lot of these, but now I have them for other projects. So that's what I did there for the little snakes. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. Thank you so much for following along, and a little bit later I will be linking more information in the description box below. Be sure to check out Armin's channel, Happy Mail Queen, and also Natalie put some bling on it to see what they've created. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.